How to change your profile picture on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to change your profile picture and add a new one on Facebook, what you're gonna do is, first of all, go to the Facebook application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture. Tap on it, and then, in order to change it, you have to tap on this edit profile, which is over here. After you do that, you can see your profile picture. Simply tap on this camera icon over here. Now you can see various options over here. You can either import your profile picture from your Facebook, from your Instagram, WhatsApp, or you can restyle your profile picture with the help of AI. Or if you want to choose a new profile picture from your gallery, simply tap on choose profile picture. Then it will take you to your gallery, and from here you can choose various profile picture you want to add. So this is how you can change your profile picture on Facebook. Thank you.